In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use list view in Asana. If you're new to Asana or just want a cleaner, more reliable way to organize work, list view is a great place to start. It lays out everything in a simple top to bottom format so you can see what needs doing and in what context without getting lost in the details. We'll focus on two core actions, adding tasks and organizing them into sections. Master these and your projects will immediately feel clearer and easier to manage. Let's begin with adding tasks. At the very top of your list view, click Add Task. A new line appears where you can type the task name. Keep the title short and action-oriented so it's immediately obvious what needs to happen. Think draft blog outline instead of something vague. If you're capturing a lot at once, use a fast rhythm, type a task, and when you reach the end of the line, press Enter to instantly create the next one. This is perfect for brain dumps, meeting notes turned into action items, or turning a rough checklist into a real plan. Don't overthink it at this stage. Focus on getting everything out of your head and into the list. Clear task names make your list scannable and help everyone understand the work at a glance. Now let's bring order to that list with sections. Click Add Section to create a header that groups related tasks together. Sections act like signposts in your project, dividing the work into meaningful chunks. You might organize by phase, like planning, execution, and review, by priority, like high, medium, and low, or by time frame, like this week and next week. The key is to pick labels that make decisions easier when you scan the list. As you add tasks, they'll naturally sit under these headings, so the project reads like a clear storyline from top to bottom. You can set up a few sections first to guide how tasks fall into place, or create sections afterward as patterns emerge in your list. A practical flow that works well is this. Start by rapidly adding tasks using Enter, then create a handful of high-level sections to structure the work. Give each section a concise, consistent name, and make sure every task fits under one of them. If a section becomes too crowded, split it into two so nothing gets overlooked. The goal is a list that's easy to scan, easy to talk about in stand-ups, and easy to act on. That's it. Click Add Task to capture work and Add Section to group it with intention. With these two habits, your Asana list view becomes a reliable, everyday command center.